Hello. Ew, what was that intro? Okay. Hi. Hey guys. So obviously, I can't fucking talk. Okay. Hey guys, have you? Oh my. Okay. Hey guys, Hey guys, as you've seen in the title, yes, we are going to do Doja Cat's hair from the Kiss Me More music video with SZA. I trust SZA's judgment, honestly. If SZA fucks with Doja Cat, I fuck with Doja Cat. Yeah, I don't know. If y'all have reasons for me not to fuck with Doja Cat, go ahead and comment down below. I know some of y'all gonna be mad, I don't know. But her music slaps though. I wasn't gonna make a video on it, but I was like, you know what? Why not? It's a cool hairstyle. I like it. I think it's cute. I think it's cool. Unique. It's like you have like little horns on your head. You're kind of like a little goat, or you're kind of like a demon. If you haven't noticed already, yeah, my armpits are hairy. Deal with it. It ain't even that bad. I don't know. I just been lazy. Like, it's been like probably like a week or 2 weeks. And I don't know. I kind of like how it looks. But yeah, you're gonna see, y'all are gonna see a lot of my armpits today because we're gonna have our arms up trying to do this hair. So, you know, if you don't like it, don't look. Like, just don't look at my armpits. I'm gonna put the reference picture here, whatever. So, just literally just put it down the middle all the way to the back. Honestly, it doesn't matter if it's like not straight because you can't see the back of your head anyways, so who cares? I'd be having my shit crooked as fuck. And do I care? Not really. I don't have a mirror. I'm literally just looking in my tiny ass viewfinder. Okay, so then what I like to do is like to get it smooth and like not lumpy is I just like to spray my hair and then brush it. But yeah. And then I like to get like one of these brushes and literally just like smooth the top of my hair. Well, like all of my hair basically. And we just gonna smooth her out. Just push it all back. So hard trying to do this with no mirror. But anyways, y'all got beef with Doja Cat? People be like, Doja Cat is cancelled. And then they be like in their house like, didn't even know it. No punches left to roll with. Man, I'm so mad that they made that the like popular song because she has way better songs. And they chose Say So. Say So out of all the songs. Are you fucking mad, bruv? Are you mad, bruv? Ow! I can't see what I'm doing. Bro, anyone else like suffer from like excessively sweaty pits? Now that our hair is up into little pigtails, we are going to braid each side, just like a regular braid, like French braid. Just get your pieces, make them even as possible. I don't know why my back piece is always shorter than like the other pieces, and it's annoying. But anyways, yeah, just braid. I like to do kind of tight braids. Doesn't really matter. I don't know. You could do whatever type of braid you want. It's not that serious. And then now that our braids are done, let me double check that they look cute in the mirror. You could do your baby hairs if you want. Honestly, I already have like a lot of natural like baby hairs. Like literally my hair is literally just lay like this. You know, you could try to make it fancy. Literally just like that. Just a little swoop. Or whatever Nike said. If you got the sideburns, bitch, curl the sideburns too. The fuck? Anybody else like fucking shave their sideburns when they were younger? That shit looks so ugly. It just looks worse. Like, nah, just keep the sideburns. Like, who's mad that you have sideburns? Like, what the fuck? Like, why was that an insecurity? Why is that an insecurity? Same thing with arm hair. Like, bruh, I used to be shaving my arm hair in like middle school and shit. Like, what? Now I don't care. Like, I'll literally be a hairy bitch. I haven't had no complaints about it either. Like, literally, guys literally don't care. And if they do care, then they're a fucking piece of shit and, like, their opinion doesn't matter. Like, the fuck? How are you worried about what's going on with my body? Same with fucking armpit hair. Like, the fuck? The person I'm seeing, they didn't say anything about my armpit hair. I don't know if they think it's nasty or what. They didn't say anything though, so like it really ain't that serious. Okay. Baby hairs laid. If you think they look bad, I don't know. That's your opinion, I guess. I don't really care. It ain't that serious. Like, just position it to like how you want it to go. Let's see, how do I want this? I want this to go like that. Y'all see? And then I want it to face like this, like how I did it yesterday. And then literally just put the pin through like a chunk of the braid and then pin it to your head. Yeah, it's really freaking hard to do this without a mirror. Ow. Oh. Okay. Okay. Like this. Like, girl, we look cute. But we're not done yet. I am going to add gel to the tips of the ends of the braids and point them up. And you just shape it into points. Like that. You see the difference. This one's all like ugly and like, yeah. But anyways, what did you guys think about the Kiss Me More song? I saw a lot of people saying it sounded like a Target song, but bitch, I was blasting that shit yesterday in my car. I was like, can you kiss me more? I don't know the words. It's just principle. Nah, I know this part though. I feel like fucking something. Anyways, yeah, this is a hair. Bitch, let's go out. Do some bad bitch shit. Honestly, I'm fucking gonna go to Petco and pick up some cat litter. I might stop at Taco Bell, get a Baja Blast. That's our bad bitch activities for today. Yes, we look cute. Ooh, ooh. I'm dumb. I forgot I was gonna film a TikTok on like how to do this hair, but you know, I'll just post myself on TikTok and tell these bitches to come over here onto YouTube. We're at Taco Bell. Sheesh.
Hi, welcome to Taco Bell. Would you like to try a new fish and nipple combo?
No thank you.
That's okay. What can I get for you?
Could I get just a regular Baja Blast freeze and then you guys don't have the potato tacos? Oh wait, yeah, you do. Could I get 2 of those?
Okay.
And that's it.
Alright, any sauce?
Could actually no. I'm okay.
No sauce?
Yeah, no sauce. I'm okay.
Alright. Anything else?
That's all.
Anything else?
That's all.
Alright. It's gonna be $4.17 at the Loser Guard Boulevard.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh shit. Was I talking too low? She couldn't hear me. I was gonna say yes, but my fucking car drawer is literally full of fucking Taco Bell mild sauce because they always give me like fucking 20 packs each time. Bitch, we got it! The vanilla swirl! Bro, I should've went to Chick-fil-A with these little horns. Like, yeah, could I get a spicy deluxe? With a Dr. Pepper. I literally only come when it's like the happy hour for Taco Bell because this is $1. So I'm like, okay. Ooh. Okay, ignore the fucking Planned Parenthood. But literally, it's literally mostly just fucking Taco Bell. But yeah, we're maybe gonna need to. I don't know. We're very lonely out here. It feels like I haven't ate in like 3 days. Oh, what the fuck? They closed the Party City that I used to work at. What the fuck? I just noticed. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, let me stop filming myself eating Taco Bell because... Oh my god, I'm gonna get a brain freeze. Because I still need to film. Oh my god. Ow. Ow. Okay. My dumbass got brain freeze. What the hell, Taco Bell? Ew. There's an old guy behind me and I hate it. Actually, I do not wish to be outside. I'm scared. Let's go this way, actually. We'll film on this side. With the fucking rundown Party City behind us. This is the first job. Ew. Ew. Did you hear that? Ew, I'm scared. I don't like it here. That's too much human interaction for me. I do not like that. Let me know if y'all like the hair, you think it's weird, you think it's ugly. Honestly, I have a flat head, probably because like my parents didn't pick me up as a baby. So yeah, the back of my head looks weird, but yeah, let me do like a little 360 before anybody complains that I didn't actually show the whole hair. I have a weird head. If you have a round head, it'd probably look better, but I have a flat head, so it's like weird. But anyways, yeah, let me know what type of videos y'all want to see from me. I'm actually like filming like 2 videos right now, which is crazy because usually I film like 1 video at a time, but I don't know, I'm like on steroids right now basically. Ew, okay, I'm scared that like someone's gonna come get me or something or talk to me, and I don't like that. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment. What's your beef with Doja Cat? Yeah, I have to go before I get abducted because I'm scared. Okay, bye. I feel like fucking something. Ooh la 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 la. Damn, this lighting though. Bitch, let me get some pictures.